dearest young scholars, how are you? I'm sure that you're familiar. Should we begin?
Yes, we should. Yes.
Excellent. Now, I'm sure you're familiar with this word, literature. My simple question: what's your concept of literature?
Literature is an art.
Okay. Okay. Good effort. Please, your concept of literature.
Literature is an art.
Okay. Please. Please, man.
Literature is an art.
Okay, please, move on. Please, whatever comes to your mind, no, let it be expressed. Very humble request, don't stop, please. Singing, okay, okay. Acting. Painting, okay. Writing. Your concept of literature.
Literature is an art. It is the reflection of all the society, and literature of any.
Your concept of literature is clear, mashallah. Really very impressive answer you gave over here. Let's refine your concepts. Before we discuss literature, it's very, very important to understand the real concept of the real meaning of art. The word you used. Who used that? Your name, please? Muhammad Arshad. So this was Arshad's points of view. See, this word is art. This R is not pronounced. What? Art. It's not art. Artist. Art. So before we discuss literature, it's very, very important to understand the concept of art. So art is the name of what? Expression. You know express?
Yes.
You know the meaning of express? We express pleasure. When?
When we are happy.
Excellent. We express our sorrows.
When we are sad.
Points clear? The points clear or not?
Yes.
Art is the name of expression. No? Expression of what? No, of human creative skill. Art is the name of expression. Expression of what? Human creative skill. Now these are the human creative skills. Paintings, music, sculpture. So art is the name of expression of all these human creative skills. The first meaning of art. When we say artist, no? What do you mean by that? He expresses.
He expresses creative
Clay or she, when I say that Amina is an artist, so what do I say? I mean to say that she expresses her creative skill by
sculpting,
by painting, by singing, by dancing, by building, by writing. Points clear? Should I move forward?
Yes.
Art is the name of expression. Expression of what? Human creative skill. And the second thing, that this is the expression of imagination. The eye of the brain. These are the people who are the real asset of the society. Clear? Those people who imagine. For example, my brain eye sees some player.
But we cannot see.
Clear?
Yes.
So I want to make you see the same thing with these two eyes. I shall create that. And for that I have different choices. First, I could dance. Clear? And the moment I start dancing, now you can understand, oh, this was a thing Mr. Mujahid was seeing with his brain eye. I can paint by using brush, no? By using pencil. The moment you see that painting on some canvas, on some, no, you can say surface. So you can say, oh, this was a thing Mr. Rafi was, no, Mr. Rafi's brain was seeing. Points clear?
Yes, sir.
I can put it, no, or I can versify it. The word is used, what is that? Versify. V-E-R-S-I-F-Y. Versify. You know versify? So second thing is there, no, sometime, no, that we listen to. We listen to, no, some speaker, and we become able, no, to see the same image, the same thing which the speaker's brain eye was seeing. The point's clear?
Yes, sir.
This is art. As you people said that there are different kinds of arts, no? Who said that? I think, no, you were there, no? Different paintings, singing, as you were talking about music, and acting, sculpting, or drama, book writing, poetry, novel, short stories, and so on. We will discuss all these things. But the concept of art is clear.
Yes.
The second thing is, no, that art is basically the name of application. Art is the name of the application of, no, the human creative skill. Or art is the name of application of imagination. Art is clear?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
I am moving forward right now. So you ready?
Yes.
You feeling boredom?
No, sir. No.
So whatever I said so far, you understood?
Yes, sir.
First thing I tried to explain was what is communication. Then what is the role of communication. And one more thing which I discussed now, that how can we instill our ideas into the minds of other people know. So for that, what is required? Communication. These were the things we discussed. And then we move forward, we talked about when you gave the definition, or when you tried to define literature, the first word we used, it was art. And I tried to make you understand it in a refined way. So I try to refine it. I'm sure your concept is clearer. Clearer. It was clear, but now it is clearer. It is more clear. Am I right or wrong? These things, whatever you said, society and reflection of society, I will discuss later on. Ready?
Yes.
Now I am moving toward the next topic. What's that? Literature. Keep in mind, literature basically is a body of written works. Have a look at these books. What's that? What? Written works. This cupboard contains written works. I'm sure you know. You're familiar with that. Promise that you will read this book daily.
Yes, sir.
Only one verse. I am not demanding that more than one verse. Simply, if you read simply, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, but with its understanding. It can be in Punjabi, it can be in English, whatever the language you feel easy in, so you can read it. Because the book is to be understood. Communication, if it doesn't instill anything into your minds, so communication is not communication at all. Funds clear?
Yes, sir.
You are listening to me with the intention to understand. But whenever we read it,
Understand.
no such intention is there. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, you
The people, whenever they read this book, a great majority of the Muslims even, when they read it, they don't intend to understand it. The word I used, under, not under. Understand, underestimate. Clear?
Yes, sir.
No, you see this book. It contains written works, means literature, but the language you can see, so it's English literature. Iqbal, Payam Mashriq, Persian literature. Literature can be written works, it can be oral works now. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And one more thing is there. As this is the age of digitalization,
Yes, sir.
digitalization. So now it can be digital works.
Yes.
It contains lot of data,
Yes, sir.
lot of works it contains. As you can see right now, this is digital works now. So literature is written works. It can be oral works, or it can be digital works. Or literature, it can be written, it can be oral, or it can be digital. And before I wind it up, one thing which I want to emphasize on is that literature, it is there where? In the books. Where? In the books. So those are number of books you can see in different languages of the world. What's there in those books? Literature. Funds clear?
Yes, sir.
And you can see Arabic,
Yes.
Arabic literature,
Urdu
Urdu literature, Persian literature, English literature, and so on. This point's clear?
Yes.
And tomorrow we will discuss, inshallah, that what are those 5 elements What are those 5 elements?
of literature.
If any one of them is missing, so that written works cannot be called literature. What are those 5 elements? We will discuss tomorrow, no? With revision of this lesson, no? So come with proper preparation.
Inshallah.
Any question?
No, sir.
Thank you very much, no? So see you more, inshallah.